Good morning to all of you. అందరికీ శుభోదయం. వెల్కమ్ టు లీగల్ మ్యాటర్స్ బై సాయిబాబా సుంకర్. June 4th, 2025, around 3:10 p.m. You might have all seen in the press the stampede in Chinnaswamy Stadium, Bangalore City. While the celebrations of victory of Royal Challengers Bangalore was being conducted in the Chinnaswamy Stadium, a stampede took place which took the lives of 11 persons and about 64 injured. Now the injuries, simple injuries, lessening, 32 persons have been injured. 11 deaths are confirmed. So it is a ghastly, tragic incident which should not have taken place if the police authorities have taken sufficient bandobast arrangements. Of course, it is quite common that they will throw the blame on others. I have seen in the press that the police, it's actually Cuban Park or Kabam Park authorities, SHO Kabam Park. He stated that these people, they were denied permission for holding the so-called function there. Whatever is the incident happened. We have to be reminded of Allu Arjun incident in Shanti Theatre, Sudarshan Theatre in Chikadpalli, Hyderabad, where he was taken to task under section 105 of the Bharati Nyaya Samhita. Similar sections have been added here. Anyway, a tragic incident. Arodhane, actually on 3rd June 2025, the final match was held in Gujarat between RCB and Punjab Kings. Royal Challengers Bangalore. So you all know, actually the original owner of the company is Vijay Mallya, Royal Challengers. So very famous breweries company, Kingfisher. Whereas the other person is Punjab Kings. They are the major consumers of the so-called product. And the match was held in Gujarat, which is a dry state. Jocularly, somebody is commenting yesterday. Anyway, after 18 years of the inception of IPL, even though RCB came to the final stage, this is the first time to enter the cup, to grab the cup. They wanted to celebrate it. Virat Kohli and others, all of them came. First, the meeting where they were felicitated in Vidhan Saudha in the morning. Evening 5:30, the function was arranged and lot of publicity was given by Karnataka State Cricket Association. And the event partners are DNA event partners, all of them through their social media and their website, they have propagated like anything that the function is going to take place with all pomp and show. People, actually the capacity of the stadium is around 30 or 35,000, but lakhs of people gathered there. They were waiting outside the gates. Around 3:10 p.m. when the gates were opened, almost people rushed like flood or stampede as a result of 11 persons died. ఇక్కడ విచిత్రమైన సంఘటన ఏంటంటే, ఈవెన్ దో దిస్ వాజ్ డన్, ద ఫంక్షన్ వెంట ఆన్ దేర్. అక్కడ దాకా చెప్పాల, బయట జరిగింది ఫంక్షన్. సిద్ధరామయ్య, సీఎం సిద్ధరామయ్య అండ్ అదర్స్, డికే శివకుమార్, డిప్యూటీ సీఎం, all of them attended. The function went off. But this tragic incident remained. Right. Result. Many police officers, right from the rank of Commissioner of Police CP, Deputy Commissioner of Police, SHO Cuban Park, and so many others, they have been placed under suspension. And an inquiry has been ordered by Honorable CM Siddaramaiah regarding the incident. And basing on the report given by one of the SHOs of Cuban Park, they have registered a case. Now we are coming to the important point. Under which provisions of law the FIR was registered? Of course, I could not know the number of the FIR, but the sections I am going to tell you. And in the meanwhile, High Court also has taken suo motu cognizance of the incident. They issued notice to Karnataka government to ascertain the real cause of the tragedy and also how to prevent such incidents, such calamities in future. Right? So the FIR was registered under the following sections. Number 1, Section 105. Previously 304 Part 1 of the Indian Penal Code, 105 of the BNS. Culpable homicide not amounting to murder. Death is there, but intention is not there. It is culpable homicide not amounting to murder. We gave you the example, the number of times I have discussed, grave and sudden provocation. Here there is no intention for the people to cause the death. It occurred due to stampede. నార్మల్గా అయితే మనం ఏం చేస్తాం, దీన్ని 106 of the BNS or 304A కింద కేసు రిజిస్టర్ చేయాలి. కరెక్ట్ సెక్షన్ is 304A in my view. Of course, since it has attracted national attention, 105 వేస్తుంటారు. Then section 115, voluntarily causing harm. It may not apply, but ASR section. 118, voluntarily causes hurt by dangerous hurt. Voluntary causing grievous hurt by dangerous weapons or means. కొత్తగా మీన్స్ కూడా పెట్టాడు జాగ్రత్త. డేంజరస్ మీన్స్, ఒకళ్ళ మీద ఒకరు తొక్కున్నారు కాబట్టి ఎవరో తర్వాత తెలుస్తుంది కాబట్టి ఏం చేయలేరు అనుకోండి. బట్ ఎనీవే 118 ఈజ్ ఆల్సో యాడెడ్. దెన్ సెక్షన్ 132, ఇది ఎందుకు వేసారో తెలియదు. 132 పాతకాలంలో 353 IPC అనేవాడు. దట్ ఈజ్ అసాల్ట్ ఆర్ యూజింగ్ ఫిజికల్ ఫోర్స్, అంటే దట్ ఈజ్ అబ్స్ట్రక్షన్ ఇన్ ద డిశ్చార్జ్ ఆఫ్ అఫిషియల్ డ్యూటీస్. Then section 125, that is act endangering the life of the others. 279 కింద వాటి కింద వేసేవాళ్ళు. 236 కూడా కొన్ని కేసులు బుక్ చేశారు. ఇలా IPC సెక్షన్స్. లాస్ట్లీ సెక్షన్ 190, అన్లాఫుల్ అసెంబ్లీ. సో మీకు తెలిసే ఉంటుంది, 144 hours పాతకాలంలో ఇచ్చినప్పుడు మనం దీని మీద ఎప్పుడు జోక్ చెప్పేవాడిని. 10th class ఎగ్జామినేషన్కి 144 hours. దట్ మీన్స్ మోర్ దాన్ 4 persons షుడ్ నాట్ అసెంబ్లీ అని ఉద్దేశం. ఎంతమంది వస్తుంటారు? గుంపులు వస్తుంటారు. అన్లాఫుల్ అసెంబ్లీకి అర్థం చెప్పాను 147 డిస్కస్ చేస్తూ. 147 ఇండియన్ పేరు. ఎనివే ఐ డోంట్ వాంట్ రిపీట్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ దెమ్. 7 minutes టైం అయిపోయింది. Now, in this connection, yesterday I think 4 persons have been arrested. Before that, the Kerala State Cricket Association, they filed a petition before the Honorable High Court of Karnataka to quash the FIR, claiming that management of the gates is the responsibility of the event management. That is RCB franchise or DNA events. వాళ్ళు చేయాలి, మాది కాదంటారు. Actually, the manager, Mr. Sosale, he filed a petition for quashment. Of course, High Court did not agree. Very premature stage అన్నారు. I think yesterday he was arrested. Anyway, ఇది కూడా చెప్పాను. Police claimed that they denied permission to the RCB. Without any official permission, these people announced celebrations of their things. Right. Even then, on that day, that is on 4/6/2025, about 9 a.m., when the matter was taken to the notice of the superiors, when they asked them to provide bandobast, 5,000 police force from and around the city, they were called and they were put on duty. And at about 3:10 p.m., the gates opened and stampede. 5:30 p.m., the victory period began. 5:45, it was concluded. Of course, the result is CM suspended, the Commissioner of Police, SHO Kipan Park, and other things. And they have announced also that 10 lakhs compensation to the deceased families. Very bad incident. Anyway, అల్లు అర్జున్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్ కానీ, ఆశ్రమాల దగ్గర కానీ ఇలా జరుగుతూ ఉంటాయి. మోర్బీ డ్యామ్ ఆర్ మోర్బీ డ్యామ్, అక్కడ ఇట్లా ఫ్లయింగ్ ఇదిలాగా హ్యాంగింగ్ బ్రిడ్జ్ లాగా ఉండి అది పడిపోవడం, రకరకాల సంఘటనలు జరుగుతున్నాయి. జరగకుండా ఉండాలి. ఎవ్రీబడి షుడ్ ట్రై టు టేక్ ప్రికాషన్స్. ఎనీవే, బ్యాడ్ ఇన్సిడెంట్. అవర్ కండోలెన్స్ టు ది bereaved family members. And also let us hope that the injured persons recover quickly. Thank you.